Hello and welcome, dear viewer. I'm Asenath Nyabuto. I welcome you so much to my YouTube channel. This is your sanctuary for the restoration of body, mind and spirit. Here we believe that true health does not begin in the medicine cabinet but in the garden, the kitchen and the heart. It doesn't mean that we don't appreciate the conventional ways of healing, the conventional medicines and the like, but together we explore heaven's remedies, simple, natural and powerful, woven with divine purpose. I invite you to walk this journey with me. Whether you're seeking easy, wholesome recipes, natural ways to comfort common ailments, or heartfelt talks on mental and spiritual well-being, this space is for you. So join us as we follow Christ's method, that is mingling with passion, serving with wisdom, and restoring life through eternal truth. Welcome so much and stay on board.